yo me quedé dormida y cuando me levanté ya estaba.
I do think it's like
August was long. The past couple days of August, I was like, every day I was like, it's still August. I mean, I felt like it should be over on like the 26th. I was like, okay, August is almost over. And there's still like 6 more days of August, but it's September. And Lulu is pretty sure that they have a plan um, that we'll be able to leave in the next, or like early October. We were thinking it'd be later October. So it's gonna be earlier in October. And we're just really excited. We've been talking a lot about how we've been traveling for the past year. It's a year tomorrow. Yeah, September 5th. So it's a year in Colombia tomorrow, which is crazy. It feels both really long and really short. Um, but we both are just like tired of it's a weird in between of traveling and also being at home. So it's uh, like boring, but also not. It's hard to have like routines and stuff, and this is not. We are always thinking about like what's coming next. So we're just excited to have a home and be in one place for a while, even though next year is going to be really crazy too. But at least we'll be living where we want to live, um, which we'll probably talk about in our next video because I think that'll be our last video. Like, I'm sure that video will probably be about moving and stuff, which will be exciting. Um, so yeah, we've got today's the 4th, so we've got a month. Like, yeah, a month, which feels. I know it's also just gonna feel really long and really short. We've got like it's like this week and next week, and then we pretty much will have to like pack and everything because there's still gonna be a bunch. There's always just more stuff to do than you think. So yeah, that'll be exciting. I'm trying out a mic. I don't know if it's working or not, but um, cut my hair the other day. It was kind of impulsive, but it was kind of like a quarantine throwback to quarantine haircuts, which I also shaved my head and was cutting my own hair during quarantine. I just get like restless, and that's like the first thing that I change. But I don't know. I like to have different like I pretty much grow out my hair and then cut it, grow it out, shave it, grow it out, cut it, whatever. I don't like to be. I need change. I don't like to be attached to just one thing. So yeah, I cut it in the bathroom the other day. I think it turned out really good, even though I literally just like was chopping it. But that's the nice thing about curly hair that you can pretty much do anything and it'll look okay. Um, I also was growing a beard out for a minute, but I don't actually like having a beard. It's just something I try every like 6 months or so, just to see if I can. I kind of can. I kind of can't. I'll try again in another 6 months and see if it changes. Um, yeah, I'm just working today. I Lulu's at the university. Um, yeah, just working on like marketing and stuff for Sorry Coffee. I'm gonna film a video after this about Las Brisas, one of my coffees. If you haven't seen my website or the Instagram, it's sorrycoffee.org or sorrycoffee on Instagram. And there is right now another type of coffee I have, Red Bomb. I only have a few bags left, so maybe by the time you see this, there might still be a couple. So go get the last one. And Red Bomb is running out, and I ordered a new coffee that I'm gonna have, just like coming soon. Um, so it's kind of replacing it for a while, but I'm gonna bring it back because it ran out first. So it was the best seller, and it's definitely I think it's my favorite. It's like a more medium roast, and I always think that I love. Well, I do. I never think that I'm gonna like a medium roast. I love light roast, but this one is so flavorful, and it's so good. Um, yeah. So just working, trying to get more comfortable, like talking to the camera, and like that's the whole thing with my business is like working on like putting more of my personality out there, which is kind of weird to like market yourself, but also like um, it's helpful. That's what I want to do. I want to like interact with people. I want to like hear from people. Um, that's what I appreciate in other people, small business or like creators or whatever. So trying to do the same thing.
Conexiones como es.
De los pepiaderos, profe, de los peces. Este también. Este también de los peces, que ellos también las sardinas comen.
Que dice aquí esta compañera Rosa María que es un gusano que se convierte en varias clases de...
¿Qué estamos haciendo?
Sweating. What's today?
Your half birthday?
No, that was yesterday. That was yesterday.
No, what's today? Thursday.
We talked about it this morning.
1 year. Un año en Colombia hoy. Y para celebrar all the comes bien. To celebrate, we're getting jugos en agua. Morning. So, we were gonna go to the beach today to meet some friends, in la playa de Flor de Loto. It's just the Amazon River as a beach, but it's really rainy, which is nice because it cools off a lot, thank God. In the middle of the night, it was like pouring. I had to unplug the fan because I was worried the rain would get in and kill our fan, which already we lost the one fan. We had two because we don't have AC, so very critical, very important. But we lost one fan, so I had to unplug it just in case. But yeah, I'm just making some breakfast. I made some homemade tofu this week. Looks kind of weird, but it's good. I've been experimenting for a while on making tofu because obviously we cannot buy, like they don't sell any tofu or really any vegan like protein in the store here. So you know, we brought soybeans with us, and then it's like a interesting process. You like have to soak them, of course, and then you blend the soybeans, and then you heat it and then strain the fiber out. So you like blend it and strain the fiber out. So this is like my best batch of tofu, I think. We'll see how it tastes. It's like some of the other ones haven't like set as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna make some tacos. So I had some exciting news yesterday. Like, I've been obviously working really hard every weekend to finish up my field work. I've been conducting these participatory workshops, and yesterday, like, was talking with my supervisor here, and I'm going to be able to present kind of some preliminary stuff on September 20th, which means we'll be able to like, I'll be pretty much done with my field work after that, and I can start working on the analysis, which is very exciting. So that means we can like leave the Amazon. I don't really want to work on the writing of my dissertation and the analysis from the Amazon, just because it's, you know, difficult in some aspects. It can be challenging to like live here, so I want to be somewhere a little more comfortable, and I think just kind of have some distance between myself and like the actual work in place will give me like a nice perspective. Frieda's first ever day at the beach. She loves to swim. So silly. It was worth it. I got stung by a electric fish, so I'm not getting back in the water.
She figured it out.
That's what I thought, Frieda. I was just thinking, I wonder how many trans Americans have been to the Amazon. Gross! Julian loves mud. It was really nice.
Yeah. Of course it was.
Mm-hmm. And now we're walking back home. No, no. Just grocery shopping. Unfortunately, the gas has been really expensive. So there's been some delays in the... Creo que ya lo tenemos.
No, it's not sour.
Oh, okay.
Put this in that.
But yeah, so some of the veggies have been usually they come every week, but now it's been later. I don't know exactly why, but I always feel affected by that. But yeah, so it's been a little, looking at the veg, it looks better now. I also don't know what days of the weeks it comes, which does make a difference because sometimes stuff will be a little old. It's just because everything has to be shipped in from other parts of the country unless you're shopping at the mercado, the local market, which we do go to, for specific things. But here is just one go, and yeah, it's easier in some ways. So we'll get fruit and onions and bananas and stuff like that there. Have my little carrots. Okay, I take back what I said. It all looks good today. There's actually broccoli and mushrooms, so that's exciting. It's a good day.
We have it for 2 nights, and Finn is at the other apartment, but I might go walk and get him. There's just too much to bring him because you have to bring a litter box too, obviously. So I might go walk and get him tonight. But at the very least, he has the fan to himself, so he's okay. And we are just going to watch TV in the air conditioning all night.